Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to present you a topic which is exponential moving average crossover strategy with a simple moving average. So here the we have as I have another video in which I have produced the part 1 and this is part 2. So I'm just rephrasing what we have discussed there. So first of all, we have a buy setup. And buy setup is easy. Like when short period moving average, which in our case is EMA 9, crosses the higher period moving average from down to up. And we get a sell setup when short period moving average crosses higher period moving average from top to down. So what is the strategy? These are the setups which I have discussed. And what is strategy? We make a long entry when buy setup arises and exit long when the sell setup arises. And bring and build a fresh short on the asset. Again exit the short position if buy setup arises and so on. Note this is a positional, not an intraday call. So what I found like so when I tested this for a period of you can see the dates like from 21st of December of 2020 to 19th of Feb of 2021, and I tested it on the Nifty index. So total trades were 129 combined buy and sell. And one thing more, the instrument traversed 30,129 points from 13,734 to 15,063, the point at which I've had the last signal. So the point gained while in the bullish position was 1613, that is around 1600, and the point gained while in the bearish position were there was a loss of 284 points. So total gain was around 1329 and the win count was 49. So out of 129 trades, 49 were win, and we have a win percentage of 36.69%. So what was the conclusion? We gain point as instrument has moved up significantly. So we gain this strategy only when the underlying moves in a unidirection. So we gained it. We need to test it in all the kinds of market like bullish, bearish, and sideways. There are three kind of markets. So we need to test the instrument how it is working, and success. We have a success of 1329 points, right? And it is only like we have done 100 trades and 36 times we were correct. Still we are successful. Why? Because we maintained a stop loss. We have a strategy. We could have made profit if the asset have shown the directional move in negative side. So again we could have make a profit like we have a sell setup too. And there is one more thing, uh, that brokerage charges and sell prices do apply. So this is a part of the trading. So we can't avoid that, but we can minimize that by proper setups. So that is there. So now I will come to the code. So welcome back, and here what I'm going to do is going to show you like what I have done. So in the last of my video, if you can go there and see like what I have done for the code, I've explained it there. And if you still want something, then you can put a comment, then I will respond to that. So what is happening? I'm just going to rephrase that again. So I made a data frame here in which my all buy and sell signals are there. So I'm going to show you that data frame. So it is this frame. So you can see like on which date and which close price I am buying or selling. So these are the total number of trades are like it's showing 131 minus one of this, and this is 130. So we have a buy sell, and this sell buy. So consecutively, as I explained you, so these come out to be 129 trades. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to work on this final, this CSV. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the second part of SMA, which I have created, and I'm going to run this. So this is the strategy is giving me the points. So total gain is of this point. This is my count of win. This is win count. This is total win percentage, and this is the point gained while in the bullish position. So if suppose I am not taking the bearish position, so I would have gained this thing, while the spot has moved only 1329. So that is the, if you know the directional, so nobody knows. The main thing is that, so you have to stick to your setups, or you have to improvise that. So that is there. And if you have some any question, just post that in comments. uh, Again, once I'm just want to go through my code. So this is the final data frame which I'm reading, and here it is my buy setup, analysis, like where I need to analyze. So it's like, if my order is buy, and buy is zero, so I've given a variable here. So if buy is zero, then only it's going to, and then now I'm putting a buy equals to one here, and then I am giving this value of close to some variable here, just to just to contain that value, otherwise it would lost. And then for the cell, I have buy equals to 1, and here I have to see, like, a sell order is there, and then I need to make it again to 0. And again, I am taking the gain. The gain is, this is a variable which I have defined before this loop here. So this value is 0 right now, and it will gradually uh, add up all the values here. So this is how I made the setup, and for each condition I have taken, and this is the final. So I think I've run that, and you can see again, so it is working fine. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, any comments, you can just post it in the comment section. And if you need any strategy which need to be back tested, then I will make a video for that. Thanks a lot.